Hi guys, welcome to another dance session. Today I am having these two sensational and very cute dancers with me. As you know them, Surmi and Vidhi.
Hi.
So today we are here to have a little bit fun where I'll be hammering them with few questions. Are you guys ready?
Bring it
Yes.
on.
Okay.
Whoa.
That's the confidence I didn't expect. But good to hear that. Should we go for round one?
Yes.
Okay. Round one would be rapid fire,
Okay.
where I will be giving you few options and you have to choose one out of it what you would like to do from those.
Okay.
Got it? The options are going to be same for you, but answers can be same, but depends on you.
Done.
Okay, ready? First, out of this, what would you choose as a career?
Okay.
It's a very easy question actually. Options are acting, dancing, singing.
Of course, acting. Dancing.
Okay, we have an actor with us. Okay, next question. Out of these dance forms, which dance form would you like to do the most? Okay, options are contemporary, classical, Bollywood, folk, or Ganpati dance.
For me, Bollywood.
Okay,
Yeah, same. For me, also Bollywood.
okay.
Yay!
So it's the same.
Surmi.
Sorry guys, cut it. Moving on. Next,
Yeah.
out of this, what is more difficult for you guys? Okay.
Okay.
What is more difficult? Performing live against the live audience or performing in front of the camera?
Difficult.
Yeah.
I don't think anything is difficult.
Okay, for you it's like
Yeah.
that. For you?
I'm very camera conscious, so definitely I would prefer a live audience than a camera.
Okay.
Yeah.
Two different answers. Finally. Out of this, what would you like to eat a lot? Which
I
food
thought
stuff
so.
would you like
Food
to-
question.
Okay, the options are street food, some diet food, I'm sure this is not even concerned, and the third one is home food.
Home food.
Okay.
Depends. I mean, street
You
food.
can't be like this. You have to
Okay,
say
fine.
one.
Home food.
Out of this, which kind of style would you like to prefer in your daily routine?
In the sense?
In the sense, I'll give you the options. Like wearing casual clothes when you
Okay.
to carry yourself casual clothes, or like being stylish.
For me, every day, on the everyday basis, it's
Yeah.
casual. I love to dress up, so yeah. I love to even if I'm casually dressed, I still like to make it as a smart casual.
Okay. This one, I am sure you love it because as you guys are like a dancing duos, right? So out of this dance, like we have different dance forms like Lavani and everything. So
Yeah.
I'm giving you a few options. Out of this, what would you prefer to do?
Okay.
Okay. Lavani, item number, or
I know Surmi's answer. I think everyone.
okay. So out of these two, what would you do?
Out of these two, of course, item number.
Okay.
No brainer. Item number.
Okay, fine. So, as you said acting, Vidhi, so
Okay.
and you said dancing, but both of these things are counted in the movies field, right?
Yeah.
So, for example, if in future any one of you or both of you get a movie offer, what type of movie would you like to do? The options are a horror movie, some romantic movie, maybe some kind of a comedy movie, or some other flavor.
Should I say?
Yeah.
Say. So running behind the trees, mixing two flowers. So romance. Not romantic, but typical Bollywood movie. Yeah.
You mean the 90s, 80s movies?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Jaya Bhaduri?
Not Jaya Bhaduri. Sridevi.
Sridevi. Oh, okay. You?
Ew, no. I would want to do something like a like a student of the year, like those types of movies, like something which has like it's young, it's trendy, and it has all the flavors.
So what do you mean?
So
You know, yeah.
Jaya Madhuri, no, not that era.
So right now I am having like two different
generations.
two generations sitting with me. Sridevi and Alia Bhatt. Okay, congratulations, you guys have completed round 1.
Yay!
Points, you guys can decide. Are you ready for round 2?
Yes.
Round 2 is going to be question answer round.
Without options.
No, yeah, obviously without options.
Oh,
So in this,
God.
first questions you guys have to answer for each other. So the
Okay.
question will be asked for both. You have to answer for her. You have to answer for her. Okay. Okay. The first question for you guys is that which is the favorite dance form of each other? So you have to answer her for her. You have to answer for her.
So dance form in the sense like dance form like folk dance,
Yeah,
Lavanya.
yeah.
As long as what I know hers is Bollywood, total Bollywood with item numbers and party songs.
Okay.
True.
Now,
I think she likes contemporary.
Jodi पहले से बनी.
Yes.
What is that one thing that you hate?
About her
No. That you hate in life.
in life.
Yeah. So what she hates in life?
Oh, okay. Oh my god. That's a tough one.
That's-
But it's so vast. I mean, there's so many points.
You still have to answer.
That's gonna take a while. Okay, I think she doesn't like people who are not punctual because she herself is really very punctual.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Now the pressure girl.
Yeah. Oof.
You need a breather.
Come on, I've like said it so many times. I call him that. I've always called him this. It's so easy.
Don't listen.
I don't like what people. You're also wondering.
I'm wondering. I don't know what's happening.
Arey Vidhi. I've told you so many times in Gujarati. I know one thing she likes the most. She loves to be prepared from first. She doesn't like everything on spot. She likes to be prepared.
Yeah.
She likes to be totally perfect, and then she wants to do that. That's true. But what I dislike.
What does she dislike? Yeah.
Come on, Vidhi. Okay. I don't like slow people. I can't stand it. Yeah, that's true. That's very true.
Which romantic actor would you like to be paired against?
So
you have to answer for her.
Oh, what's that for?
Yeah.
Her. I think hers will be.
Wait, first let me answer.
Okay. Then I get a lot of pressure. Oh my god. Ranbir Kapoor? No way. Okay.
Go on.
Bad luck.
Your answer.
I think Shah Rukh Khan. No! I stay with him! I would do Shah Rukh Khan, I stay with him.
Next question. You have to give a nickname to each other.
Oh, okay. She has already given me one. Yeah, lovely. She already calls me lovely. Yeah, it suits her. So maybe bubbly.
Okay, the last question. Which is that one song that you would like to dance on? And you have to choose for her, you have to choose for her.
For her.
Yeah.
I know so many songs.
So one out of it. You better get it right.
I know which one she wants to do. Okay. Shit, man. Can we write it down? Okay, what you said. मैं lovely हो गई. I can remember her every moment. Okay,
for you?
no. So she wants to do like a fusion, like a
Yes.
Yeah, she
Yes.
is.
Blend of Western
Yeah.
and Indian.
Oh.
Yeah, she likes to do. Yeah, she likes to do.
This,
I love you.
These points are discussed. Do not take in consideration. Okay, lovely. We are done with round 2.
No, I actually looked at you when you said lovely because now I'm so used to you calling me lovely.
Okay, very nice. It was
I
a
think
nice
this
round.
was so much fun.
But it's the round 3 is still remaining. Okay, guys.
So fast, he's not going to give up on this.
Okay, so now are we ready for round 3? Round 3 is very easy. I will be giving you a word. You have to make sure that you sing a song which have the particular word in it.
Okay.
Guys, please close your ears.
It's not close, it's shut. Oh, sorry.
Remember, teachers are always right. Okay. So, first word, I don't have a toss, but I have something over here. So, you have to just choose.
That, okay.
Either. Okay, let's see. Okay, so see. Too lovely, okay. Okay, so as you guys can see, the toss has been won by Vidhi. So you get the chance to choose who goes first.
I'll go first.
Okay, I've just watched my spirit. Okay,
I love
first
you,
word for
lovely.
you.
I love you, lovely.
Okay. Now you know what to call them if you want to comment anywhere. Okay, the first word for you is Deva.
Deva Shri Ganesha, Deva Shri Ganesha.
Very good.
Our YouTube song, if y'all have missed it, please go to our YouTube channel and check it out.
That's the self promotion. Okay, next word for Surmi. I'm sure she will love this word. The word is Daru.
Okay. You दारू पी के डांस करे, मिलके रोमांस करे, डांस करे.
Okay. Next word for Vidhi would be Pyar.
प्यार हुआ, इकरार हुआ है.
That era.
प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल.
Okay. Okay. Next for you is Barish.
देखो बारिश हो रही है. It's raining.
Bollywood, we have found female Anu Malik. Okay, now it will be little bit tough.
Okay.
Okay. Next word for you is, it's actually easy, Divana.
दीवाना है देखो बेकरार हो. ओ संभालो संभालो ना प्यार हो.
No, it should be Sambhalo Sambhalo, na Pammal ho. Okay. Next word for you is Saath.
हम साथ. Just going to say that. What typical. हम साथ हैं.
Okay, anyways, next word for you is Dupatta.
नीला दुपट्टा पीला सूट कहाँ चली मेरे दिल को लूट. Then I don't know. Amazing
Okay.
lyrics. I'm very bad at lyrics.
A very famous word and a very favorite word of Surmi.
Slow.
Famous word
Oh.
and favorite word of her. That is, which she says nowadays a lot. Anda.
आओ सिखाओ तुम्हें अंडे का फंडा. ये नहीं प्यारे कोई मामले अंडा. अंडा 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 अंडा.
Okay. You have no idea how to handle it.
It's the other way around.
Yeah.
But we love it.
Don't trust me. Don't trust me. Okay, last words for both of you. Okay, so for you, the word is bacha.
Oh God, that's tough. Doobie doobie dub dub. Oh my God. Then I don't know. Wait.
You need to dub it more.
छोटा बच्चा जान के हमको ना समझाना रे. doopy doopy dap dap.
So again.
Man yaad hua.
Okay. And the word for you is Goli.
गोली. अखियों से गोली मारे लड़की कमाल दिल की अखियों से गोली मारे.
Finally, I'm done with all my rounds.
Yeah! It was so good.
I hope you both enjoyed it.
Loved it.
Super. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you got some अंदर की खबर of what you can call them, the nicknames, plus what they like to eat, etc. So, for now, we are done with my coffee with Adharan session.
Without a coffee.
Yeah. For more videos, do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to Adharan session on YouTube, right? So girls, bye.
Bye.